The Xiaomi W30 Pro clearly stands out when compared to the W20, especially if performance is your priority. While both models share the same rated power and wattage, the W30 Pro delivers noticeably stronger suction, longer runtime, and significantly better downward pressure, making it far more effective for deep and wet cleaning. It also features a larger clean water tank, improved anti-tangle system, faster charging, and much higher water absorption and collection efficiency, which results in fewer water streaks and quicker floor drying. The W20 does have advantages in being lighter and offering a slightly faster brush speed, which may appeal to users who prioritize easy handling. However, overall testing metrics show the W30 Pro outperforming the W20 in most areas, including up to 20% stronger suction, 33% longer runtime, 45% more pressure, and dramatically better water pickup efficiency. In real-world use, this means the W30 Pro cleans more thoroughly, dries floors faster, and requires less effort to push, making it the better choice for users who want stronger performance and efficiency, while the W20 remains a decent option for lighter, simpler cleaning needs.